Alright y'all, day one of the MLF Invitational here on Lake Okeechobee. We're about 94, due in at 4 o'clock. We got a little bit of a run this morning, kind of letting everybody get through the lock before we go through, but we are ready to go. First day of my professional fishing career, first professional event, and we are fired up, ready to rock.
Boat number 94, got 94, boat number 95. Nope.
This is a 12-incher, but it's bleeding already because it had the hook pretty good, so we just let it go to not deal with it. There's going to be a lot more like that, so we'll get another one. He was just 12 too. We need something bigger than that. Might only be 12 inches. Thank you, Lord. It's just a confidence thing. Been throwing it on braid. I'm not getting nearly the amount of bites that I was in practice. Some people say it won't make a difference. We're gonna fish through here with a frog, and then go back out and see if it does make a difference. We'll find out. Yeah, it is. How you doing, man? Struggling. What about you? Yeah. I got 2 little babies right now. Keep plugging away. I think he's gonna be a little short. Yep. That's a good one. Get your big butt over here. Come on now. Boom! Woo! We gotta do that at least 4 more times. Oh, man. That's probably the biggest bass I caught all week.
There you go.
I'm gonna retie.
How much was it?
Almost 4. It was 314. I'll take that. Yes. Hey, Jimmy. That's 5, baby. Yes. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Shaw Grigsby. My man. Fish was shot for the first time I was like 15. And he taught me so much. Still taking me to school. Okay, let's try this again. I'm having GoPro problems. The battery's dead, it's plugged in, but the cord keeps flying out as I'm running. But I missed my last second catch, last flip of the day, and my line starts swimming off. I jacked them, and it's about a 2 3/4, 3-pounder. But either way, that called out one that was under a pound, so that's huge. I didn't put it in the scale. Oh my gosh, thank you, Lord. What a first day. It's been suspenseful. I didn't have my limit until probably about 1:45, and yeah, I just gotta maximize tomorrow morning, make a lot of that morning bite. But we're gonna do the best we can. I got a little bit better of an idea of what I want to do, at least to help me catch more quality and do something different than anybody else is doing. So I feel like I got a really good shot at making the cut, but we'll see after weigh-in. I can't really predict it right now, but I'm just super pumped and so thankful to have 5, 2 decent ones, and then 3 dinks, probably around 10 and a half, my guess. but I'm not really sure. But either way, I'm pumped. It's 3:22. We got to be back by 4. So we got 2 slow no wakes to go through. I'm running the rim ditch just because it's kind of rough out there, and this thing can get up and move at 77 plus miles an hour. So I'm making the most out of how fast this boat is by just running the outsides. So I am just jacked. Oh my gosh, am I pumped or what? But let's continue the journey back to weigh-in.